So as next we have to come gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search key, then you have to type your model number Z890 and master AI2, then hit enter. After you can see here product, click to product. After that click to icon, this title, just single click. After that you can see here new tab open automatically. After that you click on support. So you can see drive OS, you can select all, otherwise you can Windows 10 and 11. So extract Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is Bluetooth driver, download. So automatically start. When it is completed, you can see here the one download in the progress. Then click wait, this is, then you can see here this is downloading, just single click and open, give into yes. This is for the Bluetooth. You can see here Intel Bluetooth driver. So wait few seconds. Now this is installing the by background. So now this is install and close.